The PCV valve is a little bit hidden. It's underneath this bracket here. Do you see there? That's a 10 millimeters bolt that you have to remove. So I put a ratchet extension like this coming from underneath. So I loosen it up a little bit and I am able now to remove the bolt. Here we are. Then wiggle this thing a little bit like this. To here. And the valve will come out like that. And here it is. And that's a piece of film that you don't want to lose. New PCV valves should rattle. So I'll rattle this one close to a microphone. And I'm pushing it in. It's tricky. There we go. That's it. Don't go crazy. That's a plastic part. And that's a job done.